What I have here is a 1996 Mazda MPV with a check engine light code of a p1345, camshaft position sensor error. Check the distributor, check the wiring, check sparks, it's there. I was suspecting of a jump timing and took off the cover and looked at it, and the timing belt is floppy. If you can see where my left finger is, that you can't really tell, but see that? It's just floppy. Looks like something broke right there. That idler pulley should be smooth, but look at the rigid metal debris. Something broke inside there. I see the little shiny spot right there. So this is one of the second Mazda. Previous video that I did was on a Mazda Miata crankshaft code, but this is a camshaft code, and that's what causes the motor not to start. Something with the timing belt. This is pretty much part one of it.